Okay, so hi everyone. Sorry for that. We have some problems with the previous link for the webinar. Can you please confirm on chat that we are having a screen and sound so we can continue finally without any problems? Okay, just use the chat on YouTube and let me know if everything works fine. Then I will continue. Okay, so then we have some problem with sound. Okay, how about now? Can you confirm that please once again, please, for me? Is it working? Okay, I think now we have solved the problem. So, okay, let's go. If you guys have any questions and would like to ask anything about the setups, just feel free to use the chat and I will answer all the questions that you will have. Okay, so let's go first. I would like to share with you the published idea so you will know what we are watching currently, and then I will move on and we will watch the potential setups for the upcoming week. So let's go straight to the published idea. Okay, US oil, I have published that a few days ago and it didn't go good, so we closed that on a break even. So what the price will do, this has decided to turn into the bigger correction, will probably slowly go back to the trend line and then it will start to push higher. Okay, similar with UK oil. Okay, those setups are the same. So if you were aggressive trader and if you took that breakout, you should end up with a break even. Okay, and then you should not trigger the new entry. Why? Because you can see that there are strong candles and there was no buy setup basically. The sugar, okay, sugar was posted on January 11. It was the wonderful setup, so I hope that you took some money over there. This is the reason why I'm posting those setups over there. And I have also hold the webinar when we were somewhere there, I think, and I have told you to trade for the buy. Okay, there was the many buy setups, and I hope guys that you have take them. Okay, also there are many buy setups. So hope guys that you are making money, because this is the reason why I'm making those weekly market outlooks and posting there the setups for you. Okay, so nice profit. This was the last week now. Slow and small trade basically. Pound in also, okay, less push and then take profit. Okay, shown there. Okay, you if you enter it somewhere there, whenever you enter it, your target should be my arrow. Okay, so you should take profit somewhere there around my arrow, and then the price now is trying to push lower. Okay, so great. I got some messages from you in private that you make a nice money on pound yen, so I'm really happy that you are guys making money, but I would like to see more of you will make money because it's totally for free. What you'll have to do is just listen the webinar, draw that on your chart and follow the setup. Okay, easy steps. Aussie cat, it's also there, but it's not moving fast. Okay, it's still struggling there. There are some sell stops on 1 hour, so if you will keep an eye on it, you will find there many sell setups. You can keep selling all the way back to the trend line. Okay, we already trying to start really slow start. Okay, but keep an eye for your sell stop. Your GBP, it went just lower. Okay, there wasn't any buy setup. I took one buy over there and ended up with a break even. It didn't go, and now it's pushing lower. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we have to wait now. Okay, now we have to wait. If the price will correct, you will go for the sell. It will go break this bottom, and you should take this sell. This setup will become invalid. So keep an eye there. You will see how this EUR will change, but later on when we will come to the EUR I will show you what to do. The euro yen, also fantastic trade was there. As you can see, it went down and then it decided to go for one more high, and then it go down. Really nice setups also over there on lower time frame. Okay, so there was many sell stops, at least 2 or 3 sell stops was there, and hope you guys catch it. So what you will do now, you will have to be careful. If the price will stop there and started to struggle, we'll lose the momentum, then we will start it then we will start with buy setups. Aussie New Zealand. Okay, here's the really educational setup. Okay, what we did over there. We were expecting for one more sell. Okay, and if you go down, you see that setup has changed, and on January 8th, I have posted that there is no more sell setup. Setup has slightly changed. Watch for buys on lower time frame. Okay, what was the reason? Reason was there. Okay, first we were watching for sell. The price went down there. Okay, then started to push back. Okay, we closed all the sells. Then we relook at the structure. Then we finally recognize that this is a wonderful buy setup. And after that, what the price did, okay, let's just have a look. Price has pushed really nicely to the upside. Okay, so this is some educational stuff for you, how you can recognize that the patterns are changing. Okay, first we're watching for sell, then we turn for the buy. Okay, this could also happen that I will say for some setup on my weekly market outlook that we are watching the sales, but during the week, for example, on Wednesday, I will talk on our, or I will say in our daily webinar that we will change the direction and we will change and trade the other side. Okay, and it could happen that you got stuck, you will be still watching for the sales, but we will be already making money in the buy. Okay, so here's the example. Just keep in mind that how setups can change, and yeah, learn from it. Okay, the chart will always repeat the same thing all the time. USD chief, what it did there? Okay, it went up, it went for a new low. Okay, we made a new low and then it went up. So what the price will do is going higher. We'll take this trend line definitely. Okay, there was a lot of buy setups, and yeah, you just have to move on lower time frame to catch it. New Zealand cat, it went up a little bit and then it started to push lower. Okay, I was warning there to be careful. It started to pushing higher. Okay, so the price has pushed higher and now it started to pushing down finally. I didn't update the idea. Okay, I was on the vacation. Sorry, guys. So now I will take care of those setups. We'll be constantly updating the setups. Here's second. Okay, Swedish krona. It's not Corona, it's Corona. Okay, so uh, it went down. Okay, so you already should take off your profit. As you can see that this momentum wasn't for the sell, and you should take off your profit over there. Okay, so now what the price is doing is trying to extend the correction. We'll go for the sideways. Okay, don't trade it over there for the next week. Chief Yan, still active. It's struggling there. Okay, as you can see, trying to went lower. And now we just have to keep an eye. If there will be any 1 hour and 4 hour setups, keep selling. Okay, this is the long way to go. We will see the tag at least of this bottom. Okay, but if the momentum will be good, we will tag that online. So keep an eye there and trade it. The USD also went up. Okay, went up and now it's finally pushing lower. Okay, there was a lot of buy setups. If you will see that Aussie New Zealand has the same example, and as I told you before, this situation and that scenario will keep repeating. Okay, so I think that's all. Yeah, those are the old ideas. Using the end, it's also for sell. So let's go now. Okay, I will go now step by step to those ideas. And okay, so let's go. Silver, what do we have over there? We have a nice impulse which is breaking down the structure. So now we have the correction. Now the question is, will this be the bigger correction and then continuation to the downside, or it will start to push lower? We don't know right now. We just have to keep an eye and focus on this correction over there, which will appear during the past 2 days, next 2 days, sorry. Okay, so if you're already into the sell from there, you're doing a really good job. Okay, so some of my traders are already in, but they will move on break even, and we will watch if we will add more or we will simply just wait to break this bottom and then correct, then we'll add more. Okay, depends. We just have to watch it closely now. We should not see any impulsive movement for the upside. So what you will do, look at that one. Okay, if this will go like that one for the flag, you can sell. Okay, be careful, that should not hit this bottom and turn. That should just slightly and nicely ignore the previous bottom. Gold, okay, we also catch that one. There was also a nice sell over there on lower time frame. The price is now pushing lower, so be careful what the price will do around the previous bottom. I want to see the strong candles coming over there. Okay, I don't want to see the bigger correction over there. I just want to see that the price will be keep pushing lower, 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 lower. Okay, without any stop around the previous bottom. So you can watch the 1 hour also there. If price will go for the flag, if you'll see the flag, you can go for the sell. Take the sell, you'll see how far it will go, but the target is at least previous low on 4 hour. Okay, I want to see the tag of that one, and then the price will turn to the upside really, really fast. So make sure you'll not miss the buy. You can miss the sell, but don't miss the buy. Okay, the buy will give us a really nice money order. DXY, the dollar index, is going for the correction. Okay, the price is correcting. How far it will go? It will go probably for one more correction and it will push all the way back to the trend line. Then we'll have a bigger correction for more to the downside. Okay, I don't see the DXY to totally reverse to the upside. Okay, at least not yet. Okay, I see that the price will go and break this bottom around 88. Okay, and then it can turn the direction. But for now, you can see that we are correcting there. For our correction or daily correction, it's appearing over there. Don't chase this buy if you're not already in. Okay, so you should be a buyer somewhere there. Okay, those are the spots for buy. Maybe, okay, really maybe if there it will be a nice 1 hour buy flag, you can take this small wave to the upside, but don't think it will break to the upside. Okay, it will just turn to the downside. Let me just draw this so you'll know what we are anticipating. 88 will be our target, okay, at least somewhere there. So keep an eye. I would rather watch and wait for the sell if you are not already in the buy. Okay, nice wave is there. Euro USD, same there. Okay, so if you were selling, you are doing really good. Now the prices keep pushing lower. How far it will go? It will go back to the trend line. So any sell setup, you can take the sell, but be careful, like I said on DXY, wait for this buy. Okay, buy is a nice trade over there. But keep selling, okay? Probably next week you can go for some short-term sell, and then after 2 weeks we will start watching for them. I'm not sure that this will be over in next week. Okay, so one short-term sell will be there, then we'll have to watch what the price is about to do. USD Chief, okay, what USD Chief is doing. Same there. Okay, we can see that the price is trying to push higher back to the trend line and then we'll continue to the downside. Okay, been watching this chart since really long, so like I said before, there was many buy setups. Now what you can do is wait for the flag to buy and take this trade. Okay, it's really easy setup over there. Oops, sorry, that was just a misclick. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, what you will have to do is, if you'll be lucky, maybe you'll find the 1 hour flag over there. You can take this trade. Okay, this is what you can watch, and this is what you can take. Small one-to-one trade, take it off. Okay, it's not gonna go far. And then you definitely wanna go for a sell. This is the bigger. The sell is bigger potential over there. Okay, Aussie USD. The price will slightly push lower, so let's wait for some correction, then take that sell. Okay, I want to see that the price will go lower. So I don't see that this is all the correction we are going up, okay? I want to see the deeper correction, some kind of the expanded flat before this will start its way to the upside. So watch there, okay? Watch for the correction and then take the trade. Don't just jump into the trade right now because it can just spike down and then it can return to the upside. You will have a losing trade out there and you will miss the buy. So make sure you are patient. You are waiting for your setups to complete before you take them. New Zealand USD, wonderful setups. Okay, it went down. So what you can do now, wait for the sideways movement, then take the trade. Okay, all the way back to the trend line. This is the minimum what you will have over there or what you will catch, but just patiently wait for the sideways. Okay, on 1 hour, you can see that there it will be some kind of the flat, small flat, lower degree flat. Okay, and then this will push lower. Okay, watch it, how this will develop over there. Nice trade is preparing. Pound USD, what the price is doing, it made actually new high. Okay, this is the really important. Okay, as you can see, we made a new high over there in this structure, in this correction. So what this mean? We can now totally reverse to the downside. We actually made totally new high. Okay, you see, we break actually the previous one also. I think we did. Let's see. Yep, we actually break this high. So this is really good. So keep an eye there and watch for your sell stops all the way back to the trend line. Okay, so nice trade is coming over there on pound USD. Move on 1 hour, or if you are skilled enough, you can watch on 15 minutes, but I do not recommend you to go that low. Okay, so 1 hour it's enough. What you have there is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what you will have over there, and then you will take the trade. Don't put any orders before taking this high. Okay, once the price will take this high, then you can put an entry order. Don't rush. Okay, don't rush. It will happen. We need at least 6 hours of sideways movement before this will drop down. Okay, but nice trade is there. We'll put an arrow there so you will guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, USD cat. USD cat. It's really strange spot at the moment. You cannot do anything until you will have any correction. Okay, so you need 1 hour correction before this will start to push higher. Okay, so what you can have there, this will go for the sideways, then you can take the trade. Okay, so how far? Watch it when the price will take the trend line. Okay, you just have to watch it if the price will bounces off and then going down, or it will just break to the upside. Okay, so watch, go for this buy. Okay, you can go for this buy. Depends what is your entry strategy. Okay, depends which entry strategy you use, but you can go for this buy. It's only 1 to 1. It's nice. Okay, you can take it, but make sure you will watch it once it will hit the trend line. USDN. Okay, this is the only chart which I really don't want that anyone of you will miss it. Okay, don't miss this buy. Okay, as you can see that how big the version is over there. Okay, and we are also in a daily flag for the downside. We are having a nice impulse over there, and the flag is happening over there. Okay, so keep an eye there. Every buy that will appear, I want that you will take it. Okay, you can more than a double account there. So what you'll have to do there, move on 4 hour. Okay, watch the price. Watch what the price is trying to do. As you can see right now, the price is trying to break lower. Okay, am I interested for this sell? No, I'm not interested for this sell, and I will never be interested for that sell. Why? Because if I will be watching for this sell, I will miss this huge buy. Okay, so what it could happen next week? Next week the price can just stay there, went up, correct there, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so make sure once it will break out of this trend line, you will start watching for buy setups. You can move all the way down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, and then there you will watch your buy setups, but don't buy before this trend line is broken. Okay, it can still struggle there. We can still have a struggle there. It can spike down, break this low, and then it can fastly turn to the upside. Okay, this will just complete this structure. As you can see there, this is the 1, 2, and 3. It's not completed. We didn't break this low, so we may see the break of this low before pushing higher. Okay, keep an eye there, but don't trade it. Don't try to force this trade. Okay, you don't have a strategy to trade, and there is really small money over there. Okay, so make sure you are watching it. Aussie cat, watch for your downside trades. Okay, so correct, take the trade, correct, take the trade. Okay, all the way down to that trend line. Okay, keep an eye, watch it. Can correction actually cross the trend line? Of course, the trend line there, it's only the indicator, so do not rely on that trend line. Okay, it can just correct there, something like this, and then to still drop, and then correction like this, and it can still drop. Okay, all the way back to the trend line. So keep an eye there on 1 hour. You will find nice sell stops. One is already in the making. 1, 2, 3. Okay, something like that, and then it can push lower. Can it also drop now? Yes, of course. And then to go for the sideways, and then to drop down. So keep an eye there. Watch for this Aussie cat sell. Aussie chief. What do we have there? The price is trying to form some kind of the expanded flat, but this expanded flat will not place out. Why? Because we are totally at the top, and I don't see that this will push higher without any correction. Okay, I need to see the deeper correction. Okay, I want to see the huge expanded flat before this will trying to push higher. So what can I do? I can go for the sell if there it will be any sell setup. Okay, if you find any sell setup there, you can go for it. But I do not recommend you. I would rather recommend you to skip it. Skip it for this move and wait for that one. Okay, it will come. Aussie New Zealand. Okay, this is this one which we were talking before that it turned the setup. Nice wave to the upside. So what you can do, wait for the sideways move, take the trade. Wait for the sideways move, take the trade. Okay, so how far it can go? All the way back to the trend line. Okay, so nice trade is coming there. But we can also have a deeper correction before going higher. Okay, so watch it. Euro Aussie. There's also a nice sell setup. On 1 hour it's forming. Okay, how far this Euro Aussie can go? This way. Okay, let's move on daily. Daily, it's really nice, big, huge pattern there. Okay, as you can see there, we have a big, huge impulse there, and this is the correction which is in the making. So what I do anticipate is at least correction and tagging this trend line. Okay, it can even break it. Okay, we can also see that the price will break this trend line. Okay, so 4 hour, let's see what the price is trying to do. There was many sell setups over there on this way to the downside. So there's already in the making. Okay, so you can see that we are having a sell setup. Keep an eye there and go for trade. Okay, depends what is your strategy. Like I said, okay, and just go for this trade. Okay, setup is there. Keep an eye there. Use your entry rule techniques and your entry strategy technique and just go for it. Your New Zealand, nothing special. Okay, I see that this one will crack there and then go for deeper correction. 1 hour, okay, it can just crack there and then push higher. Okay, so keep an eye there. Watch it if there will be any flag for buy. After having a black for flag for buy, go for it. New Zealand cat, all the way back to the 10 line. Okay, so huge patterns in the making. Oh, sorry. Something like this. Okay, we'll see. Let me move on daily. Just a second. Yep. go for sell setups. Okay, so keep an eye, watch for your sell stops during the week. Sell, sell, sell all the way back to that line. Okay, keep an eye. Your cat, same there. Okay, this is the big sell stop, which this is the daily correction actually, which has to complete itself before it will go to the upside. Okay, sorry, excuse me. What we can have there is the price will crack there and then push lower. We just need to see the tag of this bottom. And there is the nice correction which will push the pair to the downside. Just make sure you will go for this sell. Okay, there is the setup on 1 hour and then you can go for this sell. Okay, go for it. Nice trade is over there. Keep an eye on it. Your chief. It will go down, but be careful. I see there huge expanded flat in the making. Okay, huge expanded flat in the making before this will push to the upside. So if you want to go for the sell, yes, you can go for sell, short-term selling. Okay, no long-term sells, short-term sells over there. You can go for it, but then definitely you don't wanna miss the buy. Okay, this will be our buy. How far it will go? Let's have a look. We just have to break this top. Okay, we have to break this top before this move will start to push lower. I don't see that we can go down from there. Okay, I don't see the price can push down from there. Okay, want to see this going higher, at least break this top, and then it may turn to downside. Okay, or it can go to 270 area and then it will go down. Okay, you have two options. This is one target and this is 270 second target. Okay, for buy. And then from there you watch for the sell. But definitely short-term selling is only like 1 to 1 and get out of the trade. Then start watching on your buy setups because we want to see the break of this high. So based on our rules, we know that we will have the break of this high. Okay, so keep an eye there, 1 hour, it can correct, take the trade, take your profit, watch for the buys, and then go for the buy. Easy. Okay, there's nothing to do. Your GBP, if it will correct there, you can go for the sell. Okay, we need to see some correction over there. If price is trying to correct, go for the sell. Not a long-term sell, medium-term sell, and then the price will go for the bigger correction, then you will go for the big sell, okay? So don't hold this sell for a really long time. Try to take 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, then get out from the market because the price will go for the deeper correction before dropping down. Pound Aussie going higher. Okay, so this is what we have over there. So keep an eye there for our buy stop. Take the buy, you'll see how far it can go. Okay, 1 hour. What do we have there? It is trying to appear. Okay, something like this can appear over there and then it will go to the upside. Okay, just watch and then take the buy. Pound Chief trying to form a buy setup over there and then going higher, but we are really at the top over there. Okay, we are at the top. This momentum it's not looking good. Okay, I don't think that this will break out of this structure. Okay, at least not now. It can go maybe to tag it and then to go down or there. Okay, this will be the complicated correction. Let's have a look on daily structure. What do we have there? Okay, five-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave structure. Before this will start to breaking out, give us the bigger correction, and then it will drop down. Okay, so this is the really huge trade, but I don't think it will break out. Okay, you can watch it. Okay, you can watch it. So keep an eye. You can put an enter order there. Okay, put an enter order there. In case if this will just fly to the upside, you don't want to miss the trade. And if it will start to struggle, take it off or move on break even. Okay. But for sell, you can go for the sell. If this will break down, correct there, you can go for sells. Okay. Keep an eye on it. Pound New Zealand buy. Okay, there is no sell at the moment. But the price can just give you the correction going higher and then it will drop down. All the pound pairs has the same movement. Okay? Pound cat is the only one that looks for the sell. Pound cat only pair which looks for the sell. As you can see that this is now correcting and we can see the breakdown at least tag of the bottom. But if the price will be aggressive, you will see that the price is going all the way back to this bottom. Okay, this is what you can see. Okay, sorry for that. I'm still sick. So this is what you can see. This is the trade which you can go for on pound cat. So just watch it how this will plays out. Here again, there was a lot of setups like I have told you before. We were selling there, then we ended up with break-even trades. It goes for the new high, and now it's pushing lower. How far it can go? It can correct and then push to that line. Okay, so you have one more short-term sell over there in the next week. Okay, so wait for the sideways movement. On 1 hour, you will see that much more clearly. Okay, something like this. You see something like this, then going down. Okay, so nice trade. 1-to-1 trade is there. Take off your profit because this it will go for one more high. Okay, so I'm showing you really nice setups over there. Hope guys you are know what to do. Pound yen, watch for sell stops. Okay, if this will go for the correction, take the sell. How far it can go, break those stops. For me, this could be completed. Okay, so we have impulse there. There's the running flat. We break the top. Now we just watch for sell stops and take this trade. Okay, so don't just blindly press the sell. Okay, if your strategy, if your entry strategy is just blindly, oh, I see this is going down, I can just sell, put my stop loss there, and here goes boom. No, you will end up with a losing trade like that. Okay, you cannot trade like that. You need a entry strategy, how you will enter the market and where you will enter the market. So you need the rules. Okay, this is only what I'm showing to you. It's only analysis, and you cannot trade based on analysis. Is that clear to you guys? Okay, you cannot trade on analysis. Sometimes I see that we have some new traders which started to follow us and they just blindly pressing buys and sell and they are saying, oh, you said it will go down, but it went up. Okay, yes, but you didn't have any buy setup. Okay, last time it happened that I was showing, I don't know which pair was exactly. I told you we were watching for buy. He was trying to go for this buy, but we in our trading academy were selling already this pair. Okay, so it's about how patterns can change. So be careful, wait for the setup before selling. Okay, New Zealand yen. What can we have there is more sideways and more down. Okay, this can go down, or if this price will just break, you can go for this buy. But I don't see this buy. Okay, this buy doesn't look good. Okay, wait for this sideways movement correction. No, go for this sell. We are actually on the spot where it can go both direction. It can go up and it can go down. Just be really careful what the price will try to tell you there from this spot over there. Okay, come on. So let's move on. Still sell setups over there. Okay, Chiefyan, watch for sell setups, go for the sell. Easy chart. Nothing special is there. Aussian, don't do anything right now. Okay, this could be still a buy. So one more wave to the upside is possible before going down. Can I buy there? No, you cannot buy. Can I sell there? No, you cannot even sell there. You have nothing there. Okay, if you watch on 1 hour, oh sorry, you have nothing there at the moment to buy or sell. Or maybe you have one buy setup over there. Okay, so some flag for buy it's preparing over there. Okay, you just have to watch it. But if you're not skilled, don't buy there. You have to buy somewhere there. You need experiences and rules if you're buying there. Pound yen. It's quite aggressive, so this can go for the sideways and sell there, okay? So watch there, sideways, take the sell. Okay, sideways and sell. How far it can go? It can even go take this bottom. Let's have a look on daily. Oh, it can go even lower. This can go even lower, guys. So that could be a nice trade in the upcoming week. At least tagging this low. Okay, I'm not just putting my trend lines like this. Okay, they are there with a reason. So watch for your sell stops. You can see that we are totally at the top. Okay, so here's what you will do. I want that every one of you who is following me will text me back that they got a profit there on pound yen. Okay, so here's what you will do. When the market will open, just wait that the price will go for the sideways there. Okay, if you see the sideways movement, you can put an entry order there and take the trade. How far? First target will be there. Okay, and if you make money over there in this sell, just message me. Okay, send me the message if you take this trade to downside. So that doesn't mean you will just press sell right now. Okay, wait. You have to wait now at least 4 hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 maybe hours. 4 to 5 hours of sideways before selling. Okay, so this is what you'll do. And I hope that every one of you will catch this sell to the downside. Okay, so this is free trade for every one of you. Okay, if the price was started to aggressively push higher, you will just delete the order. Okay, and it will go take that high. We are not interested if the price is going back to that high. Okay, so no buy. Okay, we are not interested in buy, just only for the sell. This is why I also labeled the sell on the order. So clear chart. We'll try to post it on TradingView after we finish the webinar. New Zealand Chief. Let's watch for the sell setup over there. Okay, also sell is there. Going back to the trend line. Cat Chief. Watch for the buy, okay? This can go to tag that trend line before pushing lower, okay? Break of this high. Let me just tag it. At least break of this high, something like this, then it will go down, okay? 5-way structure. 5-way structure before pushing lower. So keep an eye there, watch it. What the price will do. Can it go lower? Of course it can, okay? It can go. But we need to break and some correction, then it will go down. Use the Mexican, nothing there. Don't chase the price, okay? It's not looking good. Okay, I don't like to sell in the middle of the chart. I want it to go lower before buying. So nothing there. US oil, told you already, it's going for the deeper correction. Okay, so I have posted the chart. And the price was there. Okay, oops, sorry. If you took the buy, okay, so you should end up with a break even trade, and there was no more buy stop, okay? No more buy stop, so what you can do over there, nothing. So keep an eye there. This can just struggle there, don't trade there, and then you'll watch for the buy again. UK oil, same there. Oops, sorry, struggle there, and one more high. Okay, one more wave to the upside. This is not prepared to drop down, okay? I see that many of people are forecasting the oil will drop down. No, it's not that yet, okay? It will just struggle there and then go higher. US 30. We can see. If the price will go and correct over there, okay, if the price will correct over there, it can drop. Otherwise, it cannot. It will just go for one more high and then drop down, okay? Be careful, really be careful there. You want to see a nice correction over there. Okay, nice correction before selling. This could be a dangerous pair to you guys if you don't know how to trade it. SP 500 going down. This one's going down. Watch for sell setups. German 30. Watch for sell setup also. Okay, so watch all the indices. US 30, SP 500, German, and UK 100 probably for sell. Yes, watch them for sell. I will not be interested. In case if there will be any buy, I will not be interested until I will have a clear setup over there. But for now, there is no buy stop. Okay, so just keep selling. I do recommend you to wait for the sell stops. Wait for sell, wait for sell, wait, oh, sorry, wait for sell. Okay, so all pairs are for sell. Ripple, XRP, what we can have over there is the price will go higher. Okay, this B correction still needs to complete itself. Okay, I still see this one to complete before dropping down. Can I buy right now? Not no. Okay, the buy is not yet. The price can still pushing lower, 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 lower. How far? It can even tag that low. Okay, it can even break it. And then what will happen? Okay, so what kind of the structure will be? Okay, if you will start selling, great. Okay, watch for a sell stop. You can sell. Okay, you can sell, but don't sell after breaking this down. Okay, you can watch for your sell setups. If the price will break down, so what the price will do? It will go really, really fast back up there, and then it will drop down. It will give us a nice pattern over there. Okay, so be careful for this scenario. This is also possible, and be aware that you will not lose and got stuck over there. Okay, so you can watch for sell stops. Basically on 1 hour, what do we have? Some sales are already in the making, so keep an eye there. You will see what the price will do, and then you can take the trade. If it will aggressively break to the upside, then you can start watching for your buy setups. Bitcoin, watch for buy stops this break, and then watch for your buy stops. Okay, don't buy there. Okay, you want to see after having a break, then you will start buying. ATH USD, you can go for the buy, tagging that high, then it will go down. Okay, so big flat will appear over there. Probably daily flat is about to form over there before price will do anything. I don't see the huge drop as many of you are expecting on TradingView. Okay, so this is not gonna happen. Okay, they are just people who don't know what they are talking about, or they just read the book about Elliott wave theory, which is free basically, and they think that they are Elliott wavers. Okay, but they basically has no idea what they are doing and what they are talking. So be aware of that kind of people. So watch for this buy over there. Okay, keep an eye there and watch for the buy stops. You'll find the buy stop on 1 hour. Okay, there's something already happening over there. Keep an eye there. Watch it how this will go higher. If not, it will just break down. You are not into the trade, okay? You're not interested. Okay, you cannot just simply buy, okay? Depends what are your rules for entry strategy. I'm always repeating this. Because you need a good entry strategy if you want to trade this. LTC, I don't know there. Okay, leave it alone. Don't trade it. ATH Bitcoin. If this will correct, no, it's basically over. Yeah, you can put an entry order there and you'll see how this will plays out. You can go for this buy. How far it can go? There is some more room to go, okay? There was a bigger flag basically. Okay? And then this will just pushing higher. This stop is our target. Sugar, wonderful trade. If you take it, you should take off your profit. Okay, we've been buying it since there. Okay, watch our previous weekly market outlooks. You will find that we've been buying it. So this was our last buy. Last buy was there, and what can we do now? This. Okay, watch for your sell stops. This is what you'll do. Watch for your sell stops. EasyJet for those who are trading. Some flag is preparing over there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, flag. Watch for your sell stops. Keep selling, 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 all the way back to the bottom. Okay. Nice trade is there. Amazon. If this will go for the sideways, go for the sell. Apple, go for the sell. Okay. How far it will go, at least taking that online. Okay. Keep an eye on it. Going down. Microsoft. Wait for the sideways before taking any sell. Tesla. Don't do anything. We are too high. It's not interested price. Facebook. Facebook will probably go and break this low and then it will start to push higher. So keep an eye there for the buy setup. Okay, it's not ready yet. You just have to give it a few days to complete itself before to complete. Okay, the chart will always tell you when it's completed. You just have to wait. Okay, don't rush. Nvidia is going lower, so if you find any setup, you can take it. Be aware. Okay, we can just go tag this low. Okay, small trade over there and go for it. AMD. There was the sell. You can keep selling. So how far it can go? It can go also tag it low. Okay, but wait for the setups. Okay, so traders, this is everything for this week. Keep an eye, watch for those setups. For those who are not following us, join us on our Telegram group. Okay, you will be notified on setups that I'm sharing for you. And for those who are also interested, you can join our free signal service group and you can just copy our free signals and you can make some money. So guys, do we have any questions? Is everything clear? Okay, Boris is saying thanks and really good explanations. You're welcome. So that's it. Okay, and like I said, pound yen, make sure you will catch this trade. Okay, take care guys and have a profitable week.